Now we can learn about Boolean operators. You can also connect Boolean expressions together using the two ampersands, which is the AND operator, or the two straight lines, which is the OR operator. For example, suppose I ask, are you a human and is Nuevo a robot? The word AND connects the two true-false questions together. In this case, since it is true that you are a human, and it's also true that Nuevo is a robot, then the overall result is true. Here's a chart that describes what happens when we connect Booleans together. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but feel free to pause the video and take a look at this chart. It might be helpful to keep this chart around while we're trying to figure out the exercise at the end of this discussion, because it can be a little complicated sometimes. But to summarize, the AND symbol requires that both Boolean expressions are true, whereas OR only requires one of the two Boolean expressions to be true. So some examples here. We know that 5 is less than 8, and 9 is not equal to 10, therefore the whole expression is true. In this one, 8 is not less than 2, H plus E is equal to he though, and so since they are with an OR operator, this is true. In this case, since both the statement on the left and the statement on the right are both false, false or false is false. And you can see this in the code down here below. So let's take a look and see if we can work through these problems. We're going to guess them first, and then we will figure out if we are right. So console.writeLine, and I'm going to copy and paste once again so I don't have any typos. Okay, so 9 is less than 10. We know that's correct. So we're going to say true, and then we say and then I believe actually this is written wrong. It should be greater than or equal to like that. We can double check from here, which is similar to our less than or equal to. So I'm going to switch those over. 12 is greater than or equal to 11, so that's also true. So I believe true and true should equal true. Let's run this and see if we're right. Yes, awesome. Okay, console.writeLine. Make sure that's capitalized. And then I'm going to copy and paste this one in here. Okay, 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 equals to 11. That's false. So we're going to do false, or 4 modulus 3. So remember, this is the remainder. So if we think about 4 divided by 3, that will give me 1 point something. And so we know that there is going to be 1 left over. 1 is not equal to 2, and so that is also false. False or false will give me false. Okay, let's see if this is correct. Run. Oh, there is an error on line 7. Oh, because I have a capital I there. There we go. True and true. Okay. Oh, I see. Because 1 is not equal to 2, so that's actually true. And so this isn't evaluated true. See, sometimes everyone gets it wrong, but then you have to just take a look back at your code and see where you may have made a mistake. Awesome. Give it a try with some other ones.